your body's energy centers. Hey everyone! So, you want to feel amazing, like totally zen and full of good vibes? Then let's talk about chakras. Chakras are like energy centers in your body. Imagine them as spinning wheels of energy. There are 7 main ones, and they start at the base of your spine and go all the way up to the top of your head. Each chakra is connected to different parts of your body and your emotions. When your chakras are balanced and flowing smoothly, you feel healthy and happy. But if they're blocked or sluggish, you might feel a bit off. That's where chakra cleansing comes in. It's like giving your energy a good spring clean. Ready to get started? Let's dive deeper into each of the 7 chakras. The first one is the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. It's all about feeling grounded and secure. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel stable and confident. But if it's blocked, you might feel anxious or insecure. Next, we have the sacral chakra, located just below your belly button. This chakra is all about creativity and passion. When your sacral chakra is in harmony, you feel inspired and joyful. If it's out of balance, you might feel uninspired or emotionally unstable. Moving up, we reach the solar plexus chakra, located in your stomach area. This chakra is your personal power center. A balanced solar plexus chakra makes you feel confident and in control. If it's blocked, you might feel powerless or have low self-esteem. The heart chakra is next, located in the center of your chest. It's all about love and compassion. When your heart chakra is open, you feel love and empathy for others. If it's blocked, you might feel lonely or disconnected. Moving up, we have the throat chakra, located in your throat. This chakra is all about communication and self-expression. A balanced throat chakra allows you to express yourself clearly. If it's blocked, you might have trouble speaking your truth. Next is the third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. This chakra is your intuition and insight center. When your third eye chakra is open, you have clear intuition and insight. If it's blocked, you might feel confused or disconnected from your inner wisdom. Finally, we have the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. This chakra is your connection to the divine and higher consciousness. When your crown chakra is open, you feel a deep sense of peace and connection to the universe. If it's blocked, you might feel disconnected or spiritually adrift. So there you have it, the 7 chakras and their significance. By understanding and balancing your chakras, you can enhance your overall well-being and live a more harmonious life. Ready to start your journey to balanced chakras and a happier, healthier you? Let's get started. Remember, it's all about balance and flow. Keep your energy centers aligned, and you'll feel amazing every day. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more tips on how to keep your chakras balanced and your energy flowing smoothly. Until next time, stay zen and full of good vibes. Namaste. Let's start with the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This chakra is the foundation of your energy system, the very core of your being. It is the first of the 7 chakras and is often associated with the color red, symbolizing vitality, strength, and stability. It's all about feeling grounded, safe, and secure. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel a deep sense of belonging and connection to the earth. You are confident, stable, and able to face life's challenges with resilience. Think of it like the roots of a tree, keeping you strong and stable. Just as a tree draws nourishment from the earth through its roots, your root chakra draws energy from the ground, providing you with the strength and stability you need to thrive. Imagine a bright red light glowing at the base of your spine. This light represents your root chakra, radiating warmth and energy throughout your body. As you focus on this light, feel its warmth spreading, filling you with a sense of security and grounding. This is your root chakra. It is the foundation upon which all other chakras are built. When it is balanced, you feel secure, confident, and grounded. When it is out of balance, you may feel anxious, insecure, or disconnected from the world around you. As you breathe in, imagine this light growing brighter and stronger. With each inhale, draw in the energy of the earth, allowing it to nourish and strengthen your root chakra. Feel the connection between your body and the ground beneath you, a bond that provides stability and support. As you breathe out, release any worries or fears that might be holding you back. Let go of any tension or anxiety, allowing it to flow out of your body with each exhale. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders, replaced by a sense of peace and calm. Visualize yourself surrounded by a beautiful red light, filling you with a sense of safety and stability. This light is a protective shield, keeping you grounded and secure. It is a reminder that you are strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any obstacles that come your way. You are grounded, rooted, and strong. Embrace the energy of your root chakra and let it guide you towards a life of balance, security, and inner peace. Remember, just like a tree, you have the strength and stability to weather any storm. Trust in yourself and the grounding energy of the earth. Next up is the sacral chakra, located just below your belly button. This energy center is often associated with the element of water, symbolizing fluidity, adaptability, and the natural ebb and flow of life. When this chakra is balanced, it allows you to move through life with grace and ease, embracing change and new experiences with an open heart. This chakra is all about creativity, pleasure, and going with the flow. It governs your ability to experience joy, to create, and to connect deeply with others. When your sacral chakra is open and balanced, you feel inspired and passionate, able to express your true self without fear or hesitation. It's about embracing your emotions and expressing yourself freely. This means allowing yourself to feel a full range of emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and anger, without judgment. By acknowledging and honoring your emotions, you can release any blockages and allow your energy to flow freely. Picture a vibrant orange light glowing in your lower belly. This light represents the energy of your sacral chakra, radiating warmth and vitality throughout your body. As you focus on this light, imagine it growing brighter and more intense, filling you with a sense of creativity and joy. This is your sacral chakra. It is the source of your creative energy, your passion, and your ability to connect with others on a deep emotional level. When this chakra is balanced, you feel confident and empowered, able to pursue your dreams and desires with enthusiasm and joy. As you breathe in, imagine this light expanding, filling you with creativity and joy. Feel the warmth and energy of the orange light spreading throughout your body, awakening your senses and igniting your passion. With each breath, allow this light to grow stronger, filling you with a sense of purpose and inspiration. As you breathe out, let go of any guilt or shame that might be blocking your flow. Release any negative emotions or limiting beliefs that are holding you back, allowing them to dissolve into the earth. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter and more free, ready to embrace the fullness of your creative potential. Visualize yourself dancing in a shower of orange sparks, feeling free and alive. Imagine the sparks of creativity and joy swirling around you, lifting your spirits and filling you with a sense of wonder and excitement. Allow yourself to move freely without inhibition, expressing your true self through dance and movement. You are creative, passionate, and connected to your emotions. Embrace your inner artist, your inner dancer, your inner dreamer. Allow yourself to explore new ideas, to take risks, and to follow your heart. Remember that you are a unique and beautiful expression of life, and that your creativity is a gift to be shared with the world. Now let's move up to the solar plexus chakra, located in your upper belly. This chakra is your power center. It's about confidence, self-esteem, and your ability to shine bright. Imagine a bright yellow light radiating from your upper belly. This is your solar plexus chakra. As you breathe in, feel this light growing stronger, filling you with confidence and power. As you breathe out, release any self-doubt or insecurity that might be dimming your light. Visualize yourself standing tall, bathed in a golden glow. You are powerful, confident, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to.